Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on Project C1 and we're changing the hazard light switch. The one in the C1 is currently bust. It's the actual mechanism inside the switch that's gone broken. So, is what it is, I suppose. It's an old car. So let's get this one switched out. Okay, so as we can see, we can indicate that's working fine. However, when we come to actually use the hazards, we get nothing. So that tells me the switch has gone knackered. So let's get that switched out. Alright, so the way we're going to do this is, first and foremost, we're going to pop this off using a trim removal tool. There's a screw behind it, just there, and then we're going to use that same removal tool just to pop this all the way around, and we'll take that off. That'll give us access to the back of the switches. Okay, so now that we've got access to the back of the switch, all we need to do is remove the wire from the actual switch itself. Now to do so, there's a little squeeze tab just at the back here. If we squeeze that and pull that out, that gives us access to the actual switch itself. Okay, now it's time to remove the switch. In order to do that, there's some squeeze tabs here and the same on the back. We squeeze those and we push the switch out, and out comes the old switch. So upon investigation of the old switch, we can see that the contacts inside aren't actually that bad at all. They're quite clean, but we can see that there appears to be what looks like a lot of fluid, a lot of dirt sort of thing on the inside of the switch. So that's probably what's caused that switch to fail. So we'll get the new one in, and that should resolve the problem. In order to refit the new switch, it's the removal in reverse. So we take the new switch and we push it in from this direction through that hole, just like so. And when it clicks, it's in place. That's when we're all good. So all we need to do now is to rewire it and test it. So we plug this back in, and we can hear already that the indicators are working. Take you up here, it's working. So if I turn that switch off and back on and off, that's working fine. Happy with that. So now we just need to rebuild the dash. Right, so now we've got everything installed, we just need to do a functional test. So, to indicate left, that's fine. To indicate right, that's fine as well. And if we hit the hazard switch, that indicates just fine as well. Happy with that? That seems to be another job done. So, that's another job ticked off on the Project C1 list. You know the drill by now. If you like the video, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. And I will see you in the next one.